I'm with Becher Neme from Hardstone Construction. Pleasure to have you here today. Can you just tell me a little bit about what you do?
We're using CATIA from Dassault Systems and the construction industry on the job site coordination and clash detection.
What are some of the things that you've seen in using these capabilities as an architect that have helped you get some really interesting results?
For the first time, it gave us the opportunity to make a 3D model so detailed of what we're going to build on the build site, on the job site, so we understand what the problems are going to be there. We solve them before we get to the job site, saving a lot of waste of material and making it much faster now that it's all figured out before we go there and build it.
So I believe you're doing some really interesting things, maybe some leading edge things in terms of the use of the software. Is there something in particular that you think is most exciting about what it brings to the table?
In the construction industry, we're given our company now very specific numbers of how much material they're using in the MEP, for example. We're coordinating different trades so that once they go with their teams of hundreds of people working on the job site, they have so many details plans that they're just going to go and just slam it, put it in without being worried about conflict between them. And that's made possible using CATIA from Dassault Systems.
What is the one thing that you're going to take away from here that's going to have you do things differently or think about your work differently?
I got introduced to Innovia, and I think there's a good possibility for the construction industry to use it. We'll see what that's going to give in a few years.
Can you give me just a little sense of how you think you might use it?
Well, in the construction industry, we have a huge problem organizing drawings coming in and coming out and having the latest up-to-date set drawing always present for all the people involved in the project. And I think Innovia would really help us do that. So I can't wait to go back and introduce it to my boss there.